When you're soldering, there's various tools to clamp your work. It's important to clamp your work because if your work vibrates, the wires vibrate or shake when they're starting to cool, you can get a cold joint, and that's not good. You have to redo it if you find out about it in time. So you can do things like this third hand. It'll clamp nicely two pieces of wire together like this, and it'll hold stuff in general. Some drawbacks are it can pinch through the insulation of the wire. As the wire heats up, the insulation heats up, and these things are sharp enough and whatever, they will pinch through the insulation. You see that little puncture right there? That is from a third hand. Got a little bit warm, even though I'm pretty far from the joint, as you can see, a couple inches away at least. If this needed to be waterproof, that could be a fail. Sometimes you just need a little temporary hold. A pair of stainless steel tweezers work well. These are just women's tweezers. These are non-magnetic, which is also good because some parts are magnetic and it's very irritating when they can't get rid of the part, can't release it. There are things like these little alligator clips that will hold small wires in place while you're soldering. Benefit is it's small, and one of the drawbacks is they sometimes stick to the solder because they're brass or chromium plated, and they will stick. Another use for these things is to carry away heat. You can clip them somewhere away from where you're soldering, and they'll help absorb heat out of a wire. Another tool, another type of clamp you can use is just a plain old paper clip. I've used this to hold down larger things. I'm soldering together two flat things, maybe holding something to a heat sink or whatever. One of my very favorite clamps are forceps, and these are just really wonderful for holding small parts together, for even holding joints together. A lot of times you can just clamp a joint like this and hold it and solder because they're stainless. They won't stick to the solder, and you can just kind of solder around them and keep going. So really wonderful devices to have.